the jungle dark and wide. Chikki Choo went for a ride through whispering trees and glowing vines. They found a stone with golden lines. "What's this?" said Chikki, his eyes so round. The stone began to hum and sound. "Touch me, Chikki, make a wish, but beware the jungle swishy swish." An owl screeched, "Who's in there?" A tiger growled with a scary glare. "Hold on tight," said Choo the train. "We must escape this jungle plain." Whoosh! The wind blew loud and fast. "Magic stone, save us at last!" With a zap and pop, the stone turned red, and glowing footprints lit the tread. "Follow them quick," said Chikki with cheer. "But what's that sound? It's getting near." Creak, crack, the vines move slow, revealing a cave with a silver glow. Inside a cave with walls so high, a giant golden egg began to sigh. "Chikki Choo, you found my home. This jungle egg is magic grown." Suddenly, crack, the egg split wide. Out popped a dragon with the rainbow pie. "Hello, my friends, I heard you call. What is the wish you want most of all?" Chikki and Choo looked eye to eye. "We wish our friendship will never die." The dragon smiled and raised his claw. "The magic stone will grant this law." With a swirl of stars and a flash of light, Chikki and Choo held hands so tight. No matter where, no matter when, you'll be best friends forever till the very end. So if you find a stone that shines and make a wish with happy minds, you might just see like Chikki and Choo. The magic of friendship will follow you too.